In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Slack message as unread on desktop and mobile. This is a simple but powerful way to save messages for later, keep track of follow-ups, and organize busy conversations without losing your place. Let's start on desktop. Open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where the message lives. Move your mouse over the specific message you want to come back to. As you hover, you'll see a small toolbar appear. Click the three dots labeled More Actions. From that menu, choose Mark Unread. Slack will place the unread divider at that message, the conversation will appear bold in your sidebar, and you'll have a clear visual reminder to revisit it. This is especially helpful if you're scanning a long thread and want to mark a particular point to return to later. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way. On a Mac, hold the Option key and click the message. On Windows, hold the Alt key and click. That's it. This shortcut instantly marks the message and everything after it as unread in that conversation. It's great when you're moving quickly and don't want to open a menu. Just make sure you're holding the correct modifier key for your system. Option on Mac, Alt on Windows. Now for mobile, the process is just as straightforward. Open the Slack app on your phone or tablet and navigate to the message you want to flag. Press and hold on the message to bring up the pop-up menu. From the options that appear, tap Mark Unread. You'll see the conversation update to reflect the unread status, and it will be easy to find later in your list. The tap and hold gesture works the same way on both iOS and Android. A few tips to make this even more useful. Marking a message as unread is private to you. It doesn't alert anyone else or change the message for other people. Slack will remember your place, so when you return, you can pick up right where you left off. If you accidentally mark something unread, just open the conversation and read past the divider to clear it. And because Slack syncs across devices, marking a message unread on your computer will reflect on your phone, and vice versa. That's all you need to confidently mark Slack messages as unread on desktop and mobile. Use it to triage your day, keep priorities visible, and make sure important details don't slip through the cracks.